And today we got 1/18 scale, Jada Toys old school import tuner. This is back in the heydays of drifting when it first came to the US. Team Rotora, or Rotora, however you want to pronounce it. Their 240sx. This is old school livery, street drift style. Love these 240s, man. These things are awesome. I wish I just fit in them. Unfortunately, I cannot. Maybe one day I'll build one that I can actually get into. But being 6'8", it's not the easiest thing to get into, but love watching all these drift videos from old school drifting and even the new school stuff. Too bad Formula D hasn't been on, and D1 actually started, I think, yesterday. So this COVID-19 nonsense has destroyed everything. But anyway, back to the toy at hand. This is a 1/18 scale 240 from Jada Toys. Sweet kit. Pop-up headlights. They don't pop up, at least I haven't tried to. Oh, actually they do, look at that. Shows you how long this thing's been in my case. No dust, no nothing. There's a pretty sweet intercooler with the NOS spray in it, Excess Engineering. The black hood. Rotor graphics. PG Bonificio. Hopefully I pronounced that right. Doors open. Nice buckets. Harnesses. Diamond plated floor mats. Like I said, typical 90s street style / high import nights type of setup. Dual exhaust, not a big fan of, but whatever. Hatch opens up. Nice cage where the harness is actually strapped to. You know, you gotta have your amps and your 12-inch subs in there. Come on, man. Rockford Fosgate. Big backer in the hot import nights days. There's the Jada logo. Not a fan of the wing, the drooping wing, but still a pretty sweet 240sx. Wheels sit in the wheel well. They are offset, obviously. Look at the lip in the front versus the huge lip in the back. Look at the bottom of it. Pretty simple. Open up the passenger side. Gotta have your DVD screen. No hydro. It's just an emergency brake. Giant tachometer and the A-pillar. They did a nice little paint to it. You got the candy apple reflective paint in there for some of the intercooler piping. Looks like the exhaust manifold on the turbo is also chromed out, set off by intake manifold. Looks like it's kind of like aluminum. Not too crazy, but looks good nonetheless. I think there were a couple of different other schemes to it. They had, I think, a Falcon tire. It had Signal Auto graphics, which I've never been able to find. I've been searching on eBay and people want like $100, $200 for it, so it's pretty crazy. I don't know if you guys remember old school drifters, but I believe his name was Ernie Fixmer. And this is pretty much based off of his vehicle. back when drifting started in the US, when Formula D was being created. And along with him, Vaughn Gittin, Dai Yoshihara, Chris Forsberg, the OGs, Tanner Faust, Sam Houbinet. Man, I miss those days. Actually, I think I have some old school high 8 video that I'm going to transfer over and show you guys from some of these drift events. D1 when it came to, I think it was Hollywood or Miami down south. I got some video from Daigo bringing his JZX 100 over here and tearing it up in the parking lot. So, all right, guys. Well, there it is. 118 scale, 240sx in all its glory. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I got a couple more of these. I got an RX-7 collection that I'll bring out with some old school liveries. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you next time. See ya.